Laser's new coolant filling kit is designed to quickly and easily connect to most cooling systems and provides a sealed filling system with additional head to purge airlocks. First, choose an adapter to fit the expansion tank or radiator opening, then tighten to provide a seal. The funnel can then be filled with coolant, and air is bled out through the bypass tube. When the cooling system is full, the flow from the funnel can be switched off to reduce coolant spillage.